How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to talk about refraction, and we are going to look at refraction for what it is. We're going to look at it objectively, not trying to prove anything, okay? Like I was saying in one of my last videos, the world record for the longest photography image from a peak called Finisterraeus, overlooking a distance of 275 miles at a peak called Ekrins, okay? These peaks are 13 and 9,000 feet elevation. In 275 miles, there's 50,000 feet of curvature, right? So that mountain, Ekrins, that you can see in the picture, it's not actually that mountain, according to what globe Earth believers would have us believe. It's actually just the mirage of that mountain, because in fact that mountain is hidden under the curvature of the Earth. Okay, then why does that picture hold the world record then, if it's not a picture of anything? If it's just a picture of refracted light, how does it hold the world record for being the long distance photography image? Because it's not a picture of anything if it's just refraction. The Statue of Liberty can be seen under almost all conditions other than rain or fog at 22 miles away. And you can ask any mariner or sailor this that has been out there. You could sail straight to it. It never ends up popping up over the horizon. Okay, so since refraction is a variable, only working on certain atmospheric conditions, then why is the Statue of Liberty visible under all conditions except rain or fog at 22 miles away? Is refraction such a variable that it works under almost every condition? That doesn't make sense. Refraction only works under certain conditions. And if in fact it was refraction, right? Then how come these mirages are never placed higher than at the horizon? If it's just a mirage, why is it always on the horizon? Why is it never higher? And first of all, you could actually demonstrate how refraction works by just sticking a pencil into a glass of water. Refraction never works by placing things upwards. It always works by placing them downwards. Now, I'm just looking at refraction objectively, okay? I'm not trying to say that this is right or that is right, but looking at refraction for what it is, would refraction take something that is hidden behind, what, 5 miles of curvature, 10 miles of curvature, and place it on the horizon? It's hidden behind 10 miles of curvature. No. This mirage is floating in the air 10 miles above it, but on the horizon. Huh. If that's the case, then how come the Statue of Liberty is never 10 miles in the sky above us? How come when you're 5 miles from Chicago, you never see Chicago 10 miles in the sky above the actual city? No. Okay, so refraction only works when things just so happen to be hidden behind the curve. No. Refraction is an atmospheric variable that should be working under all the time, regardless of how far away these things are. You can't just write these things off as being refraction, or else that picture would not hold a world record. You would see refraction at things 5 to 10 miles away, sitting in the sky above them. But you don't see that. You don't see that. Refraction would work by sometimes placing these things in the sky. It never does that. If in fact it is placing something 10 miles beneath the curve, 10 miles up onto the horizon, then it should have no problem placing things 10 miles into the sky, because that is in fact what it is doing in this situation. But once again, this picture would not hold the world record. This picture would not hold the world record if it was just a picture of a mirage, because it's not a picture of anything. I want to point out here, okay, that most people have cognitive dissonance that is so advanced that they are unable to objectively analyze anything. Most of the people, most of the trolls that comment on my channel, first of all, you guys don't have anything better to do with your lives than to just keep trolling my channel. Like, come on, dude. Like, go get a girlfriend or something, dude. Like, get out of your mom and dad's basement and go get a life. Come on. Um, if you are unable to objectively, here's the thing: every person, such as myself, that has sought out to objectively debunk flat Earth has ended up exactly where I'm at. Everyone who has gone to do it objectively. But unfortunately, most people are incapable of objectively doing anything like that. And it's a sad thing. It's really sad because most people are just followers. You can only regurgitate what people tell you. You're not able to think for yourself, and that's sad. So, you know, if you look at refraction objectively, as we just did in this video, you can't use it to only explain things so that it might make the globe work, because it would have to work it would have to work in so many other ways too, but it doesn't. So why don't you check yourself? Really analyze yourself, okay? Anyways, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, leave a comment. See you guys next time. Bye.